Hey there, craving pancakes but out of milk? No worries, I've got a game-changing recipe for you. Today, we're whipping up the fluffiest, most delicious milk-free pancakes you've ever tasted. Trust me, you won't even miss the dairy. Ready to revolutionize your breakfast? Let's dive in, and don't forget, all the ingredients are waiting for you in the description below. Alright, let's get started. First, grab a medium bowl and whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure everything is well combined. This dry mix is going to give our pancakes their structure and a bit of sweetness. Whisking helps to evenly distribute the baking powder and salt, which is key for getting those fluffy pancakes we all love. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of water, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, or you can use oil if you prefer, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and well combined. The water is our milk substitute here, and it works perfectly to keep the batter light. The egg helps bind everything together, while the butter or oil adds richness and flavor. The vanilla extract gives a lovely aroma and a hint of sweetness. Now, pour the dry ingredients over the wet ingredients. Mix until just combined. It's okay if there are some lumps. You don't want to overmix the batter because that can make the pancakes tough. The lumps will actually help make the pancakes fluffier. Just gently fold the ingredients together until you don't see any more dry flour. Heat up a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and grease it with a bit of butter or cooking spray. This will prevent the pancakes from sticking and give them a nice golden color. You want the skillet to be hot enough that a drop of water sizzles on contact, but not so hot that the pancakes burn before they cook through. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, scoop the batter onto the skillet. This helps ensure that all your pancakes are the same size and cook evenly. You should hear a gentle sizzle as the batter hits the skillet. If you want to get creative, you can add some chocolate chips or blueberries to the batter at this stage. Cook the pancakes for about 2-3 minutes, until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges start to dry. This is your cue that it's time to flip. The bubbles indicate that the baking powder is doing its job, creating air pockets that make the pancakes fluffy. Flip the pancake and cook for another 2-3 minutes until both sides are golden brown. You can gently lift the edge of the pancake with a spatula to check if it's ready to flip. The second side usually cooks a bit faster, so keep an eye on it to avoid burning. Finally, serve the pancakes hot with your favorite toppings. Maple syrup is a classic choice, but you can also go for fresh fruits like berries or banana slices, or even a dollop of whipped cream. If you're feeling adventurous, try some nut butter or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Enjoy your delicious, milk-free pancakes. And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.